Welcome back, everyone. I'm joined by meteorologist Eric Elf. Now, Eric, I'm no meteorologist myself, but this looks pretty serious and intense. What's going on over here?
Well, this storm is expected to go under rapid intensification. All these purples, that's colder cloud tops. That means tall, growing cluster, compact area of heavy downpours, tropical downpours, and thunderstorms. And that means we got a lot of strengthening ongoing with this storm. It's fairly healthy, unfortunately, at the moment. Could be a Category 3 hurricane by tomorrow due to potential rapid intensification. So forecast is not looking good for Florida. We'll take a look at that. The 5 p.m. advisory straight from the National Hurricane Center has just come out recently. And the forecast is for this to make landfall as a Category 3 hurricane by Wednesday afternoon with winds at around 120 miles per hour. So again, not a good situation. A lot of these areas were impacted by the storm surge from Hurricane Helene, and especially we've got to keep a close eye for areas like Tampa Bay. The track is going to be really crucial to see how significant the storm surge is going to be. But the bottom line is that a very, very messy and dangerous situation is on the way for Florida, unfortunately. But just not anything like that for us. We are so thankful for beautiful weather looking live at Salisbury on our sky cam. It's a bright sunny sky out there with the setting sun. Comfortable temperatures in the 70s right now, 70 degrees in Salisbury, 73 in Easton. We got Chucky Lewis reporting 71 degrees, 68 with Joe in Bishopville, and a nice 75 degrees with Nita in Sandtown, Delaware. Now, this is the cold front that we've been tracking for the past couple of days. This is what brings in the very cool and dry air masses, even some strong storms and even a tornado warning across western Pennsylvania, but we're not going to be dealing with any of that. And we're going to get into a bit of a warm sector tonight. So tonight is going to be as cool as last night. We'll be dropping only into the lower 60s, but once that front kicks on in, all of that cooler air is ours for the taking, and the temperatures will respond over the course of the coming days. And humidity is just not going to be a concern for really the foreseeable future. The rest of this work week going to feature nice, crisp, dry fall type air in the mix. And also temperatures are going to be responding accordingly with the cooler air filtering in. High temperatures after Monday will be in the lower 70s and upper 60s, and nighttime lows will be down into the 40s for all of this upcoming work week. So a bit of a fall feel certainly is going to be on the way. Pumpkin spice vibes, if you will, I might add. So here comes the cold front coming through overnight into tomorrow morning. Just not a whole lot of shower activity. It really fizzles out by the time it gets here. So perhaps some extra clouds tomorrow morning, maybe an isolated sprinkle, but I really want to bet on that. Either way, the day turns mostly sunny by the afternoon. A fairly active northwesterly breeze at around 5 to as much as 15 miles per hour. It's a clear sky for Tuesday night. It's going to be fairly cool on Tuesday, a lot cooler than Monday actually. Like I said, temperatures will be in the lower 70s for high temperatures and a very, very sunny sky. And get used to the sunshine for the rest of the work week as well. It's going to be a very bright week ahead. Tonight, 60 to 65 degrees. So again, it's not going to be as cool as it was last night. And there's a chance for an isolated sprinkle, but the chance is very, very low for that. Skies will be turning mostly sunny for tomorrow afternoon. High temperatures between 73 and 78 degrees. And again, a little bit of an active northwesterly breeze at times throughout the day. The sky is going to be sunny really for all of this work week. The high temperatures in the lower 70s Tuesday into Wednesday. Lows in the 40s. Might be stuck in the 60s for high temperatures Thursday into Friday. Though it does look like we do warm up a little bit by the time we get to the weekend with highs in the mid 70s. Layla?